Epoxy geodes resemble precious stone but can be created on your craft table. My friend and famous YouTuber Marcy, the mixed media girl, teamed up for this video to create geodes in a day. We chose epoxy colors and additives to mix and match to create our own geodes that could complement any space. This is a project that looks high-end. It's fun to do. It's simple, and we're gonna show you right now, start to finish, how we created geode epoxy magic. Stay tuned and enjoy the video.
Our epoxy rocks, stone coat countertops.
Remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again. Hey guys, Mike here with StoneCoatCountertops.com. Do you want to learn how to make an epoxy geode? These things are awesome, and we're going to show you right now how to form, set up, and create an epoxy geode from start to finish. I got a good friend of mine. Her name's Marcy. She's known world famous wide as the mixed media girl. Go check her out on YouTube. She's on her way to Oregon, and she's going to show me how to make geodes. Let's get started. Hey, we know that epoxy doesn't like to stick to 3mm plastic. So we have a 3mm plastic base that we've created, and now we're gonna take our silicone, our 100% silicone, and create a mold, a random form, free-flowing geode. We're gonna do an outside perimeter as well as an inside perimeter so that when we pour these, they look like geode slices. I wanted to do this the day before Marcy got here because then tomorrow this will be fully set up and we could just start having fun. So I created a board that can be moved because I plan on doing more than just this project with Marcy. We're gonna do multiple projects, so now we have a portable geode base that we can move and use over and over again for different geode projects. Cool! Another fun fact or pro tip would be I could take this, pour in one area and move it to a heated room or a heated space where I could make a mess outside my garage and then bring it in where I don't have fear of making a mess, but it will cure and warm up to the right temperature. All right, guys, we're gonna let this set up. I'll let it set up all day, and tomorrow we'll be ready to make some really fun geodes. I'm really excited. I can't wait. We'll see you in a moment. So, we talked about geodes. You said you're gonna teach me how to make amazing geodes.
I'm gonna try.
Have you done this before, or is this something you're kind of new at? What are your thoughts?
I am relatively new at it, so I wouldn't say I've done like a bazillion and I'm a pro, but they are really fun to make, and I just think they're so gorgeous, and I love also that there's an endless application. Like, you could make them into just a wall art piece, you could make it into a table, you could make them into coasters, you can make it into a clock, like all kinds of things. Multifunctional geode. Yeah, and they're just gorgeous. Once you get into it, they're really simple to make and no two come out the same. You know, you can have a lot of fun with your creativity and tons of different kinds of materials.
Copper and gold on like the earth tone.
Yeah, let's do, yeah. And then we'll probably use the black.
Black metallic or black base? Got it.
All right, babe, let's hit it.
All right. So all night and all day yesterday, Luke was like, I can't believe Mixed Media Girl's coming. He was the most excited to meet you.
I've been really holding back.
In your book, for safety, do you say use your teeth to open things? Probably not, huh?
Yes, that's what I put on the safety chapter. The best way to open things is with your teeth, especially bottles of epoxy.
Did you know she has a book deal with, like, and it's going to be in Michael's and wow.
All of the amazing big things.
We're in the presence of greatness right now. So Marcy, why is Quick Coat the right product for this kind of a project?
If you use the art coat, it will blend a lot more together.
Uh-huh.
And then you won't have like really the lines that the geodes have.
Uh-huh.
So with the Quick Coat, you can just get more definition.
You know, we designed this product originally to seam substrate together.
I know.
And then artists start using it for this and we're like, That's pretty cool. You know, so that was an unintended consequence that turned out really cool. Okay, the clock starts after I put in A.
I have a question.
Yes.
In nature, where do you find geodes?
They're rocks. You know, they have a lot of them in Oregon, actually, but they're all over. They're rocks that look
They
like...
look ugly on the outside.
Yes.
And then you crack them open or they slice them.
I've been known to be called a geode because I'm ugly on the outside and very beautiful inside.
That's heartwarming.
Yes. Right, honey? So I mix quick coat with a stick because you don't have the working time to get the air out.
All of this talking going on the video.
Well, Marcy drove massive time in the snow.
Yeah.
So we're hearing your voice, Marcy.
We're hearing it.
You're here to unlock all the tips and tricks.
Yes.
Yeah, we're good. We're good? Yeah. Okay, do we need this?
I'm not sure what that's for.
I'm not sure either.
No, put those there. I'm gonna give them to you guys, and then you can pour out of those.
You're gonna do it.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
We're all sharing.
Yeah.
Sharing is
I thought we were
Yeah.
just going to pour in all these cups.
Yeah, that's a good point. Guys, sharing is caring. Share this video.
Sharing is caring.
Oh, we don't want to leave that much in the cup.
Okay, I'm putting more of those gold rocks. I really like the color of those. Once you wet them out with epoxy, they look so much more brilliant.
And you added in that glitter, yeah?
Yeah, I put bronze glitter in with it, and I'm really glad I did that.
I think I put a lot of diamond dust in with mine.
Ooh, where's the diamond dust? I'm gonna put a little bit in here.
All of our artists.
Diamond dust.
Oh, that looks cool, Mike.
Oh, that's beautiful, babe.
Just for your center.
All right.
This is so fun.
Oh my goodness. This is really cool.
I've been dreaming about geodes.
If you dream about geodes, you've come to the right channel. Now what do I do next? Oh, the
So now do
outside?
the outside layer, yeah.
Ooh, what would you suggest? I'm gonna do bliss. There we go.
So when does your book come out, Marcy?
In September.
Did you guys see Luke's new piece he did in the latest video, honey?
I did. It was mad skills.
You did awesome, Luke.
Okay, round one. Done. Was this even the one I was put? That was yours.
We have so much. I have so much over here.
Waste not, want not, right? I really like that.
Yeah.
What's that blue? The electric blue.
Yeah.
That is wild. I think that looks so cool. You know what? Right here?
Yes.
See the rocks in the epoxy? Our epoxy rocks.
See, this is why I put the powder in first.
You know, I've learned that and I always don't follow it and I regret it.
Yeah, I've seen you.
And that's way smart. Pro tip, put your powder in before the epoxy.
That's good.
Good. Go. Go, 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 go. Okay, I'm doing a clear layer and then I'm gonna embed some black in that layer. We went to New York and there was this geology type store and there was some craziness in that store. What's your thought process going into making a geode?
If you look at an actual geode I've studied, they generally have the crystals on the inside, and then there's usually another thin layer or two of the crystals throughout. You'll have your layers of color. It works beautifully just doing kind of circles of epoxy. Works well. I've also even gotten in there with gold leaf.
This is looking fun.
Look how cool this is.
Okay.
I'm really having fun doing this. This is definitely like just what does your imagination tell you?
Yeah. Get creative.
There you go. That looks good.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready for me to mix up some more? I think I'm gonna put a little bit more of this around the perimeter.
Yeah, I just want to do some, go in there with some black lines on mine. I think I'm pretty much done.
Nice.
Probably another clear coat on top of it.
Yeah, I might do some white lines on mine.
Yeah. My students are doing so well.
Yes. Thank you,
Yes,
Sensei.
the force is strong with these two.
All right.
Yeah, I think also if you take just some of the white base tint and do some lines through there, you'll be good.
I did 24 instead of 16.
Did you really?
Yep, I live dangerously.
Yeah, you do.
Living on the edge. Marcy, how long have you been on YouTube?
Less than 2 years.
Amazing. Do we have more diamond dust? You know what? I might use some of that white sand actually.
Yes.
I really like how that glitter's set, so I think instead of doing the tint white line, I'm gonna do a white sand white line.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Here you go. If you don't need all that clear, give it back to me and I'll use it.
Yeah. My primary tip is have fun. Do not try to be perfect. Don't stress about it. It's gonna be beautiful no matter what you do, and it's a learning process. I think we all did really good.
When are these ready to take out of the mold?
Well, with this epoxy, I don't know. I would say within a few hours, yeah?
Right, I would say so.
Well, because it'll probably still be a little bendy.
Right.
I gambled on the white, and I think putting clear over this, but leaving some of the ridges is going to be kind of cool. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it.
Do you like the white sand, or would you have done the base tint?
No, I like it.
Cool.
And you can always mix too next time. Put a little white base tint in there with the sand.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. Good idea. That's what.
I mix and match all the time.
Wait,
all kinds of
you
glitters.
mix medias?
Yes.
Oh, nice. You know what we need to do, Marcy? We'll
Go to Disneyland.
a bunch of these that we've opened. We'll just put them in a box, and you could take these home too.
Sold.
All right.
I love these gold rocks.
I do too.
I thought I was gonna hate them.
I did. You know that's.
we bought them and I was like, but
Right.
I love them.
Marcy, that's gorgeous. I like it.
I am very
You
happy.
use the crater lake on the outside?
Yeah, and then a little on the inside here.
I like it a lot.
And I actually mixed up ocean blue with the earth blue.
Look at, you were totally
That's
right. This is the right way to do this.
Yeah.
You were right.
So you can control it. Let this dry,
Okay.
and then go in there with your marker, and then
Okay.
put a final clear coat on it.
Deal.
But I think you're good.
Oh, that's the right call,
And
Catherine.
handmade.
I like the subtle black around the inside there.
I like also that the teal is sitting on top of the clear.
Yeah,
I really like that actually,
yes.
so it makes it pop even more.
What about, wait a minute, what about making it just a little whiter on this side? What do you think? No?
No,
She said,
leave
She
it.
said, That
You
means-
did it. You did good. Cool.
I like them all.
Yes.
I like them all.
I do too.
I really do.
I do too, a lot.
I
I like the
think
silver.
That teal is good.
You have a lot more control of your layers. Like you
She's
could,
practiced.
yes. You
I've done
could,
it a time or two.
yeah, I can see that.
She's a pro.
I'm gonna hang
But
this
that's a
in my
wall art.
podcast room.
You like yours?
Yeah.
Okay. I think you better have them vote for their favorite and then decide which one goes in the pot.
I vote for Marcy's.
Marcy
Okay.
lives in my office. Because
I think Marcy wants to take hers, honey.
she said that.
No, I want this one.
Oh, that's a pretty one. That
I
is
mean
pretty.
it.
Yeah, that's the one I want.
So we let this dry for about 2-3 hours.
Yeah.
We're going to attempt to
Demold it.
demold it right now. Let's do it. Let's see how it comes out.
Wow, yours is super cool.
It's so cool.
Look at hers.
Oh, oh, that is so cool. All right, so that's the difference between Marcy and me, is she definitely kept hers clean.
3 hours later.
Keep it up, ladies.
Just wait here.
Yep.
Do you need help?
All right, sorry, ladies.
Aha!
Wow, those are so fun.
I know, right?
Okay, so let's do a recap. We learned silicone should be fully dry. I used a lot of silicone to create a big dam. It was skinned over, but when we peeled that,
The bottom was still a little wet.
it was still sticky. Probably don't go outside the lines.
Stay inside your line.
If you don't stay inside your lines, you're gonna be picking and peeling.
Yeah.
Because it was
It'll be
thin,
fine. It's just more work.
came out cool, but Marcy had a really clean, easy release.
Yeah, it took me 2
Catherine,
minutes.
you were like the middle, and I was the worst case. So you didn't put the rocks on the outside, and I really like that.
Also, I want to just note the materials we used in here. Obviously, we used the mica powders, but we used some of the base tints. We also used the mica flakes. We also went to the store and we got all kinds of cool things. So we got these little rocks. We got these little shell pieces. We got these are just beads. They're glass beads that are cylindrical, and white sand. And these are other rocks. And then we use some of the glitters, the stone coat glitters. So we use all kinds of fun things in here, and these all look completely different. And there's so many other things that you can use too. You know, but even just, I've made some with just the mica flakes and the mica powders and made beautiful geodes with
Right.
just those two. Yeah, there's no rules.
I love that, and I also love that with confidence you can make these in a day.
Yes.
You know, we just proved that. We had a blast. You had a good point. Don't second guess yourself. Just do it. And I love how mine came out.
And I'm a blingy person, so I loved it. I think all of them are different and awesome.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Sweet. If you want to learn about how to start an art business, if you want to learn how to make amazing art, if you want pro tips every single day you post,
Yes.
then go check out the Mixed Media Girl right now. Guys, visit us anytime at Stone Coat Countertops. Visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com. Call anytime for free project support. And until next time from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. We'll see you on the next Geode.
Are these community
Right?
logos?
We
Come
made
look.
those.
Look,
So
Marcy
cool, huh?
made this one, and then I made these two, and Daddy made that one.
Look like geodes. Yeah.
They
that's the
are!
goal.
That was the goal! We
See?
did a good
You
job!
did
He knew what
good.
it was!
Are you
Do a
going back
face.
upstairs or no? You're running.
Our epoxy rocks. Stone Coat Countertops.
Hey, visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com. Call anytime for free project support. And until next time from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. We'll see you soon.